This nice looking BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Swivel model CHV1410L is currently one of the best selling products in Amazon's cordless vacuum category. The vacuum offers built-in tools, a streamlined build, and a very intriguing rotating nozzle. We were able to pick this up at $40 on Amazon, and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. So let's quickly check this one out. Welcome to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. Hello everyone, my name is Bê Nguyễn and welcome back to our ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. In this video, we're going to unbox this cordless hand vacuum to see what is in the package when you order one online. We'll also be giving our first impressions on the product's build quality, design, and its general features. So, let's get to it. Now, as we can see beside the user manual and quick guide, it's just the vacuum and its charging base. There are no other accessories. The manual has all the information you need about the product's features and functionality, so make sure to give it a read. Now let's put the vacuum together first, like this. Easy, right? One unique thing about this particular vacuum cleaner is that the nozzle rotates. You hold this down and turn, like that. Hold it and turn. It's very well designed and easy to do. To charge the vacuum, sit it on the base, like this. The base is rated for 120 volts, so keep that in mind and make sure to charge the vacuum before you first use. When charging, this light here comes on and it shuts off when the charge is full. To power it up, flip the switch. Let me just remove this plastic piece. There you go. To power it up, just flip this. The switch feels snappy, which is great. The vacuum looks well made and feels very solid. In my hand, always a good sign. Now you can remove the nozzle by holding down these two tabs on the side here, like that, and you can empty out the dust bowl. The dust bowl does come off. Push this button to release it, like that. From here you can remove the filter. Like, here we go. And you can go wash everything. Now the crevice tool and brush are cleverly integrated with the nozzle. And the brush flips up and down. Just like that, very convenient. The crevice tool adds a lot more extension to an already generous reach. This should be great for tight spaces with a lot of nooks and crannies. Now let's give the vacuum a quick test to see how it works freshly out of the box. We have here some cornflakes. There you go. And we shall see. Suction feels great, although not outstanding. Balance was a bit off if I'm being critical, but nothing serious. Build quality is definitely a strength here, as this appears very well made. In short, this cordless vacuum is, if anything, a product worth checking out, especially if you can get it on sale. And that wraps up our first impression on the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Swivel cordless hand vacuum. If you're interested in a more in-depth look, make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming reviews and give us a like or share if you enjoy our videos. If you'd like to purchase the product, consider doing so using our link in the description to support our work. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in our next video.